Helping people reach financial independence is something that has always been in my DNA, and I really believe that every one of us deserves it. And why I'm reaching out to help individuals is because our families, friends, and loved ones are counting on us. This piece is entitled Why I Would Like to Help Entrepreneurs with Financial Abundance. You know, in today's economy, we are trying to reach financial abundance, whether it's helping a family member, starting a business, or a project. Why I'm trying to help individuals with financial abundance is because never in the history have we had a better time to have quality opportunities. And today, that is more possible than ever. So this is your master connector. Please contact me and we'll show you how to reach financial abundance and make a better quality of life for you and your family. See you at the top.